Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about method of finding the HCF, means full form of the HCF, highest common factor. You look here, I write here definition of HCF highest common factor of two or more given number is the greatest number out of all their common factor. It is also written as greatest common divisor. You can say short form GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay, method we will learn prime factorization method. You know that prime factorizations I will teach to my previous video, prime factorization. So same to same. First we learn small numbers. First we take 4 and 6. Find the HCF. Okay. First we learn the smallest number. You look here, there are two numbers. You read the definitions. A given number is the greatest number out of all there. You look here, HCF of two or more given number, two or more. यार 8 भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी, मतलब 3 नंबर्स भी हो सकते हैं, 4 नंबर्स भी हो सकते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू डिफिनेशन HCF ऑफ 2 or more given numbers. First we take it and 2 numbers. Okay, we write here this box. Here rough work, I made this column by rough work. I write here 4 in this box and write here 6 in this box. Okay, first you think in your mind which numbers we take as divisible by 4. Okay, we can take 2 2s are 4. Then next time you can take 2 1s are 2. You found 1, you stop here. यहाँ पे 1 आ जाए तो आप यहाँ पे स्टॉप हो जाओ, हो गया फुल्ली. यू राइट हियर 4 is equal to 2s. This is factor of 4. This is prime number. You can 4 a factor 2 2s are 4. And same to same, you can first 2 3s are 6. 3 is also prime number, is divisible by itself, and you can take 3 1s are 3. You can found 1 and stop here. You write here 6 is equal to 2 3s are 6. 2 and 3 also prime number. You can say a prime factorization of 6. You can say a prime factorization of 4. You learn prime factorization. Just you write here 4 2 2s are 4. Okay, and 6 you write here 2 3s are, and you draw a longer line. Okay, and you write here HCF. You found the HCF, and you use the symbol of is equal to. Okay, and then next work you look here and match the same number, and you can say match the pair of same number. You like here, look 2 is the same number 4 and 6. Okay, this is pair of both number. You write here 2. First you match this types, and you out only one numbers. Okay, you can here found 2 and you out 2. Okay, this is mismatch. Here 2, here 3 is no pair. Okay, you write is obviously you can say the highest common factor of 6 and 4 and 6 is 2, because 2 is divide 4 and 6 of 1. Okay, this is called highest common factor. I think you understand this method, and I erase this, and I can take a more examples for other number. I erase this. Okay, now you tell me one more examples. because you don't tell me. I take a oneself a other example by 3 numbers, 2 or more. Okay, I take 8, 12 and 14. Okay, just like you find the HCF. What is the HCF of number 8, 12 and 14? Just like you write here, you make a line this type and you write here 8, and just like you draw a line and you write in 12, and just like you write 14. Okay, first you find the factor. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Stop here. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 is also prime number. 3 1s are 3. You can stop here. And 2 7s are 14 and 7 is also prime number. Is divisible by itself. 7 1s are 7. You look here, 8, 12, 14. Okay, you write here, arrange this number. 8 is equal to what the factorization of the 8? 2 2 2. You write here 2 2 and 2, and you write the 12 here. You look at 12, factor of 12, 2 2 2, and finally write here 40. Okay, what the factor of 14? 2 7, and you draw a longer line and you write here HCF. HCF is equal to, and you next work your make the pair of similar number of all factors. You look here, 2 is a pair, 8, 12, 14 numbers. Okay, you look here this pair, you write here 2, and you want to make other pair. No match. Here 2 2, but here not 2. Here 2 2, but here 7. Is this match? Okay, you found only one pair of 2 of this number of factor. This is called highest factor of 8, 12 and 14. Your final answer. Okay, I want to give questions. You look here, question. I hope you can do it. Question number A, find the HCF of this number 16 and 12. Question number B, find the HCF 18 and 20. And question number C, find the HCF 12, 18 and 28. I hope you can do it. Thank you, your HW.